So dear students, here we are going to discuss a new and interesting and important topic of class 12 syllabus, that is multiplication of matrices. So students generally face problem in multiplying two matrices. Other operations of matrices are quite easy. आप addition भी easily कर सकते हैं, subtraction भी कर सकते हैं, but when it comes to multiplication you feel in doubt. So we will see how to multiply two matrices here. So always remember, when we do addition of two matrices, their order should be same. Likewise for subtraction, but for multiplication another thing is there. आप दो मैट्रिक्स को कब मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं? When number of columns of first matrix are equal to number of rows of second matrix, only then you can multiply two matrices. So always remember, पहली matrix की number of columns यानी order की last value should be equal to the first value of next order, यानी कि पहली मैट्रिक्स के नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स सेकंड मैट्रिक्स की नंबर ऑफ रोज के बराबर होना चाहिए, तभी मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल होता है. A डॉट बी इज पॉसिबल. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग टू मैट्रिसेस आई विल गेट अ न्यू मैट्रिक्स ए बी विद ऑर्डर लेफ्ट ओवर. देखो P into R. So the matrix after multiplication will have the order P cross R. So here we will see with the help of example. If I have a matrix of order 2 by 3, that is A matrix, and another matrix B of order C 2 by 3, or you should say 2 multiply 3. So 3 is the number of column for this matrix. It should be here same. ये वाले element same होना चाहिए. Only then matrix multiplication is possible. So I am just filling the elements. 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows, 1 2 3 and 2 columns, like this. So I am just keeping the values 1 2 3 0 minus 1 2 1 2 1 3 0 1. So I got the elements. I just took any example. So now I have to multiply A dot B, that is a new matrix of order. You have to think order now. 2 into 2 will be the order of the final matrix. Now how to multiply? आप देख रहे हैं, you have to get the matrix of 2 into 2 order. So 2 into 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. So 2 rows and 2 columns. So I'll be getting 4 elements. 4 elements means this element is A11. As you know, A11 first row first column element. So this means आपको लेनी है row 1 and column 1. That means first matrix की row 1 and second matrix का column 1. फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स की रो 1 एंड सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स का कॉलम 1, तब आपकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगी एंड यू विल गेट द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ ए बी. सो मल्टीप्लाई इट 1 into 1 प्लस सेकेंड इंटू सेकेंड एलिमेंट 2 into 2 प्लस 3 into 1. सो लाइकवाइज अब हमें लाना है दिस एलिमेंट. सो वी हैव A12 first row and second column. First row is here already and second column is this one now. So 1 into 3 plus 2 into 0 2 into 0 3 into 1. So now next turn is A21 second row and first column. So 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Now the A22 element second row and second column. 0 into 3 plus minus 1 into 0 and plus 2 into 1. So I'll be getting 1 ones are 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 minus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So that is equal to 8602, and that is our final answer. So I hope you understand how to get multiplication of two matrices. So we have to check whether multiplication is possible or not by looking the number of column of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix. They should be equal. Only then we can multiply, and the final order of the matrix will be given by the number of rows of first element, either you can say first matrix, and number of column of second matrix. So I hope you understood this one. So revise and practice with many questions given in NCERT. Then an important thing is, if you want to do complete syllabus from our channel only, then you can subscribe and just go through the playlist of class 12. Similarly, we have for class 10th and 9th also. Do it. Thank you so much.